tahun yang lalu, Aceh mengalami salah satu bencana terbesar dalam sejarah manusia. Gelombang raksasa menyapu kehidupan, meninggalkan luka yang dalam. Hari itu Aceh mengalami luka besar. Rasa kehilangan begitu mendalam, seolah-olah waktu berhenti. Bahkan kami berpikir apakah kami bisa bangkit kembali. Dunia terhenyak melihat luka kami.
Where I was the Undersecretary General for Humanitarian Affairs of the United Nations. And my colleagues woke me up because there was reports of a horrific tsunami that had stricken societies and countries all around the Indian Ocean. Many countries were devastated, but no place as much as Aceh in Indonesia. It had been destroyed by this enormous wall of water that exploded into and destroyed homes, lives, temples, hospitals, livelihoods, everything.
Bencana tsunami yang terjadi pada saat itu merupakan salah satu bencana alam terburuk dalam sejarah dunia moden. Sebagai tetangga dekat dan sahabat, Australia saat itu berada di garis depan dan bekerja bersama Indonesia dalam menghadapi bencana ini.
最愛の方を亡くされた方々のお気持ちを思うと、今なお哀惜の念に堪えません。ここに改めて中心より哀悼の意を表します。
Tapi kemudian dunia datang untuk kami dari berbagai penjuru bumi, tangan-tangan terulur penuh cinta, kepedulian. Relawan datang membawa harapan, membangkitkan kembali semangat yang sempat hilang.
But humanity was at its best when nature was at its worst. It was very clear that all the world wanted to respond and help Sri Lanka and Thailand and India, and especially Aceh, Indonesia. So billions of dollars were donated, hundreds of organizations participated. We had coordination meetings every single day for months. I had press conferences every single day to national media for 4 weeks in a row, and we saw that humanity was and would be responding.
Bahkan setelah masa tanggap bencana selesai, kami terus bekerja sama, khususnya di Provinsi Nanggroe, Aceh Darussalam dan Kepulauan Nias, dengan mendukung proses rehabilitasi dan rekonstruksi.
アチェ州をはじめとするインドネシアの皆様は力強く、そして着実に復興の道を歩んでこられました。皆様のご尽力に深く敬意を表します。日本としてもインドネシアの長年の友人として、またインドネシアと同じ自然災害多発国として緊急支援や復興支援を通じ、そのお手伝いをしてまいりました。
Today, Aceh stands strong. Through unity and unwavering resilience, we have rebuilt not only our infrastructure, but our spirit. This recovery is made possible by compassion and support of the global community. Every effort, every prayer, and every action of kindness has guided us forward.
So I would like to thank the governor of Aceh for commemorating what happened 20 years ago. The lives lost will forever be lost, but their memory will always be with us. But at least we were able to rebuild. And I'd like to thank also all of those who were generously contributing at that time. We could show humanity at our best.
アチェと日本は津波の被害を共に乗り越え、復興・防災の取り組みを通じてつながりを深めてきました。人々の暮らしの安心・安全を守るため、日本はこれからもアチェと共に歩んでいきます。日本国内閣総理大臣石橋へ。
Saya sangat bangga dengan kemajuan yang telah dicapai Indonesia dalam memperkuat sistem peringatan dini dan juga mitigasi bencana. Terima kasih.
To the world that stood with us, thank you. Your support gave us the strength to rebuild, heal, and move forward with dignity and hope. Aceh is now a testament to the power of global solidarity and the enduring spirit of humanity. Thank you. from the deepest part of our heart to the world, to every nation, every organization, and every volunteer who reach out to us. Thank you. You are the reason we stand tall today, moving forward with renewed purpose. Dari hati kami di Aceh, terima kasih untuk dunia. Kalian adalah bagian daripada kekuatan kami. Bersama-sama kita telah membuktikan bahwa cinta dan kemanusiaan melampaui batas-batas yang memisahkan kita.